I am Deepa Mann-kler. I'm the director of the Belfast XR Festival. And this is our 4th year. So this year we had 4 offerings. Our first event was a launch party where we partnered with the Knight Institute, and we held it at the Dockers Club. It was DJ'd by David Holmes and Timmy Stewart. We had 500 people attend, and the location was only given away on the day of the event as a nod to the spirit of rave culture. Our second event was a virtual reality prototyping workshop with 120 animation and gaming students at Ulster University, and that was led by Ruxandra GP, a really talented maker in this space. And then our third event was held on Thursday, the 13th of March, in partnership with the OES Centre. It was a day of panel talks called The Art of Noise, and it explored so many different aspects of technology, immersive sound, spatial audio. And our audiences were 50% student, 50% industry, because one of the other benefits of bringing experiences like this to Belfast is that young people can see the potential career pathways they can go into. And then finally, from the 14th of March until the 23rd of March, we had 10 days showing the immersive sensory experience in pursuit of repetitive beats at Carlisle Memorial Church.
I'm Dan Tucker. I'm one of the producers of In Pursuit of Repetitive Beats, which is an immersive experience in which we celebrate youth, music, adventure, and of course rave culture. It's a multi-sensory, multi-person experience in which we take you back in search of this rave, but really it's about youth, friendship, music, and unity.
Loved it, absolutely loved it. It just took me right back in the days of standing in a field outside Lauren in Killwater House, giving it stacks. The rave bit is just amazing. It just felt like we were there.
It was absolutely amazing. It felt so realistic at times.
The response from the public has just been unprecedented and overwhelming. So pleased to say that we sold out. And it has just reconnected people with their youth and with the history of rave culture in Northland.